Hi everyone, for today I'm gonna talk about my plant here, kangkong. So I have a kangkong plant in my own small pot here in South Carolina, USA. So as you can see, it is possible to have a kangkong, and pwede nyo siyang gamitin if you're a Filipino on your sinigang. Yan. And of course, what I did was how to plant a kangkong. I bought some kangkong leaves in the Asian market and I planted it on my small pot, and it grew a lot. So I bought it since last year, and during winter I put the plant inside the house, and then during this spring to summer I put the plant outside the house. Okay, so that's the story of my kangkong. So one of my favorite part of my kangkong memories is that when I was young, I live in the province of Malolos, Bulacan, and my lola or my grandmother has a piggery. Okay, so she always go to the fields to get some kangkong, and she always try to feed those kangkong to the pigs. So I remember kangkong as my memories with my grandmother. Okay, alright, what's your kangkong story? Okay, bye bye guys, God bless everyone.